Welcome to the next video. In this video, I want to explain Home tab of Microsoft Word. Hope to be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe the channel and like the video. Here you can see Home tab. So let's start explaining from left to right. First of all, Clipboard. In Clipboard, you can see cut option, copy option, format painter option, and also paste option. The shortcut for cut is Ctrl X, for copy Ctrl C, for format painter Ctrl Shift C, and also for paste Ctrl V. To apply that, let's start to have a paragraph. For example, I have only one paragraph here. Now select the paragraph and press the cut option or use Ctrl C. I want to paste it here. Use paste option or Ctrl V. Same for copy. Select the paragraph. Press the copy option or Ctrl C. And I want to paste it here. Ctrl V. The format painter, let's have some design for this paragraph. Select the paragraph. And I want to have this font, and the size should be 14, and the design like this. Now I want to apply this design to the next paragraph. I want to apply this to this paragraph, this design. Select the paragraph, and from here you can select format painter, or from here you can select format painter. After selecting, select the paragraph which you want to apply that design on that. Now this design applied to the next paragraph. The next one is font. From here you can change the font of your paragraph or font of your text. Select the paragraph. After selecting the paragraph, you can change the font from here. There are different kinds of fonts that you can use it. For example, I want this font, and from here you can change the font size. For example, I want the font size 16. Also, you can change the font size and the space between lines from here as well. The next one is B, or Ctrl B is used to bold your paragraph like this. I is used, or Ctrl I is used to underline the text. U is, or Ctrl U is used to underline the text. A strike through is used to put a line on your text like this. From here you can choose the effect of your text. For example, I want this effect or not this effect. Any effect that you want, you can use that. For example, I want this effect, and this one is for coloring the font. The color should be this one, and from here it gives a background to every line like this. I want this background or no this background. From here you can choose the case of your text. For example, it should be lowercase or no uppercase, capitalize or no. And this part clear all the format that you have on your text. Subscript and superscript. This two is used for some formula and like that. And let's see. For example, we have formula for water H2O, but it's not the correct format for water formula. So let's choose 2 and then press subscript. And this one is the correct way of writing formula of the water. The next one, for example, C22 is equal to 4. Is it correct? No. So choose the 2 and press this subscribe. Now 2 power of 2 is 4, and this one is the correct way that we can write. For more, click here and come here. For example, after choosing the paragraph, you can choose the font size like this. I want this font style should be italic. Font size, I want it for example 18. And would you like any changes to your any effect to your text or not? If yes, so click here, for example this one, and you can see that here this one, but I don't want any of them. Now click. After clicking OK, and you can see that changes in your text. Or come to advanced. From here you can choose the scale of the text, for example 100%, or you can choose any other spacing, position, and so on. You can change anything that you want in your own wishes, and then OK, then you can see that change on your paragraph. Now come to paragraph. Let's see. Let's clean this too, and have some more paragraphs, and then enter. Now we have 6 paragraphs, and think that each paragraph is one item. For example, first item, second item, third item, and so on. Now I want to specify all these items by bullet. For example, like this. Select all the paragraph and add bullet and this bullet, or you can change the bullet as well. For example, like this bullet, or no, this bullet. Any bullet that you want, you can use for that. And from here, change list level. For example, you want bullet start from here like this, or no, here like this. And it's not good practice, and let's have it like previous one. This one is good. Or you can create your own bullet according to your own wish. For example, select symbols. Here are different kinds of symbols that you can use for your own bullets. And pictures, you can use picture as well as your bullet, and so on. And then OK, after OK, and you can have that bullet in your items. And the next one is numbering list. Sometimes you want to have a numbering list like this, and see first item, second item, third item, and so on. And also you can change list label as well. For example, I want this from start from here, and again it's not good practice, but in some cases it's good. And let's have it like previous one. And also you can create or define numbering list according to your own wish. For example, select first, second, and specify the font, and after that OK, and you can have a numbering list according to your own wish. And this one is, for example, select this, and now you want to have multiple level. Now you want to have multiple level list, for example, like this. And this one is the main list, and these are the sub list, and you can have like this. Or sometime let's have this. Let's type here, I want to give a title for this list. To specify the location of this title, so we can use here. For example, I want this, the location of this title should be from the left, in the left, or no, I want it to the center, or no, it should be in the right side. Any side that you want, you can put your title according to these options. And the next one is justifying. For example, see at the end of this paragraph is not good looking. If you want to justify this, so select it. After selecting, justify it. Now it's good looking, good paragraph. And here you can specify the indent. For example, this is the indent, and also this side is indent, and this one is used to increase and decrease the indent of the paragraph. For example, increase the indent, increase the indent, increase the indent, or no, you want to decrease the indent. From here you can increase and decrease the indent, and from here you can sort the text, and you want to sort the text according to paragraph, heading, or field, and it should be ascending or descending, and then okay, and you will have an sorted list or say a sorted text. From here you can specify the line space. It means space between the lines. For example, space should be 1.0, 1.5, 2.5, and like this. I want for example like this, and this is for specifying the space between the lines. And from here you can give a background to your text. For example, I want this background color like this, or no, I want this background color, or no, I want this background color, and it's for background color. From here you can give a border to your background, border to the top, left, right, bottom, and so on. And this is my, let's select it, and for example at the top border I want a border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all borders. It means you can have border according to your one wish. And this one is shows paragraph markers and other hidden pattern symbols. For example, click here and it shows all clear hidden hidden formatting symbols. Now style. There are different styles for you that you can add it to your paragraphs. For example, this style, or no, I want this style and this style, and there are different styles that you can use. But sometimes these styles are not acceptable for you and you want to create your own style. Come here and create a style. Now name the style, for example, new style, and modify that style. For example, I want this style and this font, the size should be 16, bold, italic, and the color should be this color, and then apply. Now that style applied, and you can see that style here as well. New style, the style that you added. Whenever you want to clear formatting, the style which is applied to your text will be format. For example, like this, there is no style. The next one is apply style. Apply style, click here and you can see this, and now you can use the name of that style which you want to add that in your paragraphs. For example, the style which I created, I want that style to be added in my paragraph, and the name was new style, and then apply. That style which I created is applied here. And the last one is editing. Here you have three options: find, replace, and select. Sometimes you need to find a specific word from a document and replace that word with another word, and you can do that from here. How? Let's see. Click on the find, and for example, you want to find video from this document, and all videos are highlighted for you in this document. The other option is advanced find. It means find the video, and it asks from you that highlight all or no, clear all highlighted. And here you want to find from main document or no, from current selection. And find next, it means that it finds the words one by one. Click find next and it finds another words for you. The next one is replace. You said that find the word video and replace that, for example, with videos. Replace only one, replace all. I want to say that replace all. And yes, and all video replaced with videos. See, you can see here video change to replace videos. And another option is select. From here you can select the paragraph, select the objects and all others selecting. And it was about Home tab. Thanks for watching.